So the topic is data journalism. What exactly is data journalism and how it is related to the field of journalism? Data journalism is a specialty reflecting the increasing role of numerical data used in the production and distribution of information in this digital era. This reflects the increased interaction between the journalist and several other fields like design, computer science, and statistics. To basically have a definition, it is a field of journalism reflecting the increased role of numerical data used in the production and distribution of information in the digital era. And some pointers like what's the importance of data journalism. The field of data journalism is grounded in the analysis and explanation and visualization of data, and which means there's a huge data which has to be processed. That an abundance of data has to be processed, and which has to be brought down about to a size where the particular huge data can be understood by a general mass wide audience, and it has a deep impact in the data stories, which defines about what exactly has happened in a particular story, and it gives a better understanding of what exactly the event is about, and with the help of defined reports, and also the data visualization tools, it helps the viewer for a better understanding, and in particular it creates a better impact on information, which is at the end of the day, which is required the mostly to give impact of the information, which creates an impact on the society. There are four steps basically involved in the process of data journalism. The first is storyboarding, next is acquiring the data, the third is cleaning and analyzing the data, and the last one, the fourth one, is delivering the story. The first step of storyboarding is mainly a main ingredient to a successful data storytelling is creativity. Data by itself is not a story. It requires you to think about what's relevant for the audience and what is not. On the other side, a great story without the data is not a data-driven story. Often finding the right balance between what story you want to tell versus what data you have requires some trial and error method. So this requires a lot of working out on it, on how exactly the information is put out to the general mass audience. What exactly is a good data-driven story? The one the fo- and The following are the pointers. So the first one is contextual and explainer stories, uh, which means the data-driven stories should focus on telling a story to attract a large audience. And the second part is dense or complex stories. Stories shrouded in numerical complexity, are great candidates for data journalists to tackle with. And the right analysis and interpretation, data journalists can transform a complicated story into something manageable and easy for the audience to understand. Exploratory interactive stories. Interactive stories can help personalize or reignite the interest of an ongoing topic. These types of stories involve readers by allowing them to search and filter through the data sets. Uh, the second point in which the data journalist is called the acquiring the data. Sourcing the data is often cited as the biggest challenge in data journalism. While this problem is not unique to, it does create an additional barrier to adopting a data-driven reporting in the newsrooms. And the third steps is to clean and analyze the data. Cleaning of the data starts with converting it into a format which makes much easier, or makes sense of a huge data. For example, extracting tables from a PDF document into a spreadsheet. The last part is delivering the story. The final step in the process is to deliver the story. It is very important to remember that not all data-driven projects need to be visual. Choosing the delivery mechanism will depend on what type of data has to be presented, and what skill set are available with the present journalist.